In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an email account private in Pipedrive CRM. If you ever share a workspace or collaborate on deals but want your email conversations to remain for your eyes only, this quick setting is exactly what you need. We'll walk through where to find it, what it does, and how to confirm it's applied. First, open Pipedrive and head to your account menu. Up in the top right corner, click your profile icon to open the drop-down. From there, go into Personal Preferences, then select Email Sync. This is the section where Pipedrive manages your connected email accounts and the way messages flow into your CRM. Next, choose the email account you've already connected. You'll see it listed here. Click it to open its individual settings. If you have more than one account connected, be sure to pick the exact one you want to make private. Each account has its own visibility settings, so this change applies specifically to the account you open. Now scroll until you find the default email visibility option. This controls who can see the email conversations that sync into Pipedrive. Change this setting to private. Setting it to private means only you will be able to view those email threads inside Pipedrive, even if those messages are linked to deals or contacts that your teammates can access. It's a strong way to protect sensitive conversations while still keeping your CRM organized and up to date. Once you've selected private, look for a Save button. In many cases, Pipedrive will prompt you to confirm the change. Click Save to lock it in. If you don't see a Save button, the change may be applied automatically, but it's a good idea to give the page a second to update before moving on. That's it. Your email account is now private in Pipedrive. To double check, revisit the same email sync area, open the account, and confirm that default email visibility still shows private. If you manage multiple connected email accounts, repeat these steps for each one you want to keep private. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you ever need to switch back and share visibility with your team, you can return to the same setting and choose a broader option. And remember, this default visibility applies to emails synced through this account. It helps you control how much of your day-to-day communication appears to others in your CRM without changing your actual email provider settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you protect your inbox while staying productive in Pipedrive.